The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a dust storm warning for Central Inyo County in south-central California. Until 5 p.m., at 3:06 p.m. a dust storm was located 16 miles east of Scotty's Castle, or 18 miles west of Beatty, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: life-threatening travel with visibility reduced to zero with wind speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source: Highway Patrol and Watchers. Impact: life-threatening travel with visibility reduced to zero. Breathing problems, especially with older people. Locations impacted include Stovepipe Wells, Finance Creek, Mesquite Springs Campground, Scotty's Castle, Texas Spring Campground. If you are traveling on a highway and run into a dust storm, pull over all the way to the right side of the road, turn off your headlights and keep your foot off the brake. Pull aside, stay alive.